Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Turtle Beach Recon quick fix step by step clearly. Start by unpacking the Turtle Beach Recon headset. Ensure you have all components, including the headset, audio cable, and any necessary adapters. Locate the 3.5mm audio connector on your headset. Identify the corresponding port on your gaming device or controller. For console setups, plug the headset directly into the controller. If using a PC, connect the headset to the appropriate audio jack. Make sure the connection is secure and fully inserted. If your headset has a USB connection, plug it into a free USB port on the console or PC. Next, turn on your device. Adjust the volume control on your headset to a comfortable level. Check the mute button and make sure it's not activated. If you're using it with a console, navigate to the audio settings. Set the audio output to headset or headphones. For PC users, right-click the sound icon in the taskbar. Select playback devices and ensure your headset is set as the default device. Run a quick audio test by playing a sound or a game. If sound is heard, your setup is successful. If there's no sound, double-check all connections. Make sure your headset is charged if it has a built-in battery. Lastly, refer to the user manual for any specific troubleshooting steps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.